Hi guys, in today's episode another very detailed unboxing and showcase of the DJI R vertical mount for DJI gimbals. So let's dive in. In this quick unboxing, I'll be taking a look at the DJI vertical camera mount, a must-have accessory for creators who need perfect vertical shots. Inside the box, you'll find the mount itself, which is compact and easy to install on DJI's stabilizers/gimbals, making it simple to switch from horizontal to vertical shooting. In my next video, I'll be showcasing exactly how to use it and how it can enhance your video production. I hope you liked the video, and I hope this product will help you to set up your camera vertically on your DJI gimbal quite easily. And trust me, it is easy. It's much easier than transferring the mount from the bottom of the camera to the side. So definitely consider this kind of a vertical mount. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber yet, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Also, if you have any questions, just drop the comment down below. In today's episode, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!